Okay, so now we just did draw your background. Now we're going to create some sprites. Very exciting. All right, let's see here. Create the sprites you will use in your program. You'll need a player, the frog, a target, the fly, and an obstacle, mushroom. You can make them anything you want. Go to the animation tab, make sure you have the images. Frog, mushroom, fly already there. You can use whatever images you want. Awesome. Find the code, game setup, create your 3 sprites, set each one. Okay. All right, and then scale it. All right, this seems pretty doable. So if I click on animation, I have frog, mushroom, and fly. Now you can always add more and get rid of these. I'll use these just to keep it simple. And I'm just gonna create some sprites. Look, it tells me to do it right here. Now instead of putting, here we go. So the first, I'm gonna give these really generic names. I'm gonna be first the player. I can always change the animations. I have the player. The player set animation would be the frog. And then I'm going to also create an obstacle. All right, and the obstacle is going to be the mushroom. Obstacle. Oh, what have I done? Obstacle, set animation to mushroom. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you so maybe you can see it a little bit better. All right, and then I'm going to create one more, and this is going to be my target. That's the thing that gives me points. To help me keep them all straight later on when I'm creating more code. Okay, so set animation to my target is going to be the fly. So let's see how it looks. I always like to run the program a lot to see how it's doing. Okay, this is great. There they are, but they're all smushed on top of each other. So first of all, I want the frog to be down here. So I just hover my mouse and then I look right below it. See, it says 194 by 314. I'm going to make it 200 by 300. I like to round it. So let's see. The player is going to be at 200 by 300. Here's my X. Here's my Y. Let's see if that worked. Awesome. Now I want the fly. The fly is going to be like flying like this, and so is the mushroom. So I want them to be kind of off screen over here. I want them to be like off so they can fly and we'll see them. So I'm going to make my fly. Let's see. I'm going to put it like, so it's 400 is the max. I'm going to make it like 450. Watch this. I'll make it just 400. It'll be right on the edge so it can fly across. And then I'm going to make it tall. I'm going to make it like 300. Maybe I want it up here. Maybe 100. I always like to round this stuff. Oops, I did the wrong one, didn't I? Want my, what have I done? I messed up my player. All right, so I'm going to make it like 400 by 100. So let's see what happens now. Oh, there he is, and he's ready to fly across. And the mushroom, I want him to be down here by the frog. So I'm going to make it, the mushroom is my obstacle. So I'm going to make it like, I want my Y to be 300. I want it to be like that fly. I want it to be kind of off screen. So here's my X coordinate, and here's my Y coordinate. X is like 400, and Y is down here. Let's see how it looks. All right, cool. They're ready to go. Now, the last thing I need to do on this page is create my velocity. All right, for the target and the obstacle. Okay. So let's grab my velocity X. Let's see. I'm going to say target, and I can always change the speed later. I'm just going to make it like 5. And let's see what happens. Whoa, it just went the wrong way. Okay, so 5 was opposite way, so I'm going to make it the opposite of positive 5 would be a negative 5. What have I done? In there, negative 5. Bam. Why does it keep doing that? Stop it. Negative 5. Now let's see. Oop, there he goes. And I can do the exact same thing for my mushroom, which is the obstacle.